Hey Fred, good morning. It's Michael over at GPS and Track. Hey, got your email, excuse me, about the dump trailers. I wanted to kind of show you the two options you really have. Since the dump trailer has got a power source, if you wanted to, we could go hardwired. The hardwired unit is always on, it's always tracking, probably our best seller. The other option is our asset tracker. It's got a 5-year battery life. Some people like this because they can kind of hide it a little bit more. Just kind of give you an idea what the platform would look like. This will show all the devices that you have. It doesn't matter if it's one or we have clients with thousands. You can just more or less click it. You're gonna know exactly where it is. But what's really kind of nice about the devices, like for example with the travel trailer, you can do or the dump trailer, excuse me, you could click a locate now, see exact location, which we're doing right now. It's not just gonna give you an address, like we're gonna see the exact location. I mean, we can see it's at a McDonald's right now. We can see what parking space it's in a McDonald's right now. In the event that this is going to be at a job site, we're able to set up a geofence and get alerted if it leaves this perimeter. You could set up after hours alerts to say, you know what, this dump trailer shouldn't be used after 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. You know, Monday through Friday, we don't work weekends. The idea is it's communicating with you to let you know that, hey, I'm being moved at 11 p.m. on a Saturday. That's unusual. So this is pretty much the technology that our customers are using to recover just millions of dollars in stolen equipment every single year. If you want to set up a Zoom, I have a little bit of time today. My direct line is 480-292-9579. Oh, hey. The easiest way to get a hold of me is call me direct, 480-292-9579, or just reply back to my email.